People think farming needs land, tractors, and lakhs of investment. But what if I tell you, you can grow crops inside one room and earn up to 1 lakh rupees per month? These are called microgreens. They are small in size, but very big in value. In this video, I will show you which microgreens actually make money, how long they take to grow, where to sell them, and who can start this business safely. No hype, only real numbers. Microgreens are young vegetable plants, harvested in just 7 to 14 days. They are not sprouts and not fully grown vegetables. Restaurants, cafes, hotels, dietitians, and fitness people use microgreens for taste, color, and nutrition. That is why 1 kilogram of microgreens sells for 800 to 2,000 rupees. This is not future farming. This is already happening. Now let us talk about profitable microgreen crops. Not all microgreens are equal. Some grow slowly, some sell cheaply, and some give very good returns. Pea shoots are one of the best crops for beginners. They grow fast, taste mild, and have huge demand. They usually sell for 800 to 1,200 rupees per kilogram. Radish microgreens are ready in just 7 days. They have strong flavor and good restaurant demand. They sell for 1,000 to 1,500 rupees per kilogram. Sunflower microgreens are thick and crunchy. They are popular with gym and salad customers. They sell for 1,200 to 1,800 rupees per kilogram. Broccoli microgreens are considered a superfood. Health-conscious buyers prefer them. They can sell for 1,500 to 2,000 rupees per kilogram. Mustard microgreens have a spicy taste and good hotel demand. They usually sell for 1,000 to 1,400 rupees per kilogram. If you are a beginner, do not start with too many crops. Start with only 2 or 3 crops and master them first. Now let us talk about setup. You do not need land. You do not need a greenhouse. You can grow microgreens in one spare room, a balcony, or a small shed. You need simple items like racks with 3 or 4 layers, growing trays, coco peat or soil mix, good quality seeds, a spray bottle, a small fan for airflow, and sunlight or LED lights. The initial setup cost is around 20,000 to 40,000 rupees, depending on your scale. That is why students, working professionals, homemakers, and small farmers can all do this. By the way, if you want exact tray sizes, seed quantity, watering schedule, and solutions for common mistakes, we have written a microgreens growing book and a microgreens troubleshooting book. These books save you months of trial and error. You can check the link in the description later. Now let us understand the growing timeline. On day 1 or 2, some seeds need soaking. From day 3 to 5, seeds germinate and should be kept dark and moist. From day 6 to 10, plants are exposed to light and start growing fast. From day 10 to 14, microgreens are ready for harvest and sale. Now let us talk about real numbers. Suppose you grow 100 trays. On average, each tray gives 250 grams. That means you harvest 25 kilograms per cycle. If your average selling price is 1,200 rupees per kilogram, 25 kilograms gives you 30,000 rupees per cycle. You can do 3 cycles in 1 month. That is around 90,000 rupees. With slightly more trays or premium crops, 1 lakh rupees per month is realistic. Now let us talk about selling. Growing is easy. Selling is where the real money is. Restaurants and cafes are the best buyers. They buy regularly and in good quantity. Always give free samples first. Organic stores also pay good prices. They usually place weekly orders. You can sell directly to customers using Instagram and WhatsApp, especially fitness and health-focused people. A subscription model works very well. Weekly delivery gives fixed income and less stress. Always sell fresh. Harvest in the morning and deliver on the same day. Do not compete on low price. Compete on quality and consistency. Now the important question, who can do this business? Students, job holders looking for side income, women entrepreneurs, small farmers, health-focused people, and anyone with limited space can do microgreens. Age does not matter. Background does not matter. If you are serious about starting microgreens without confusion, we have created a microgreens growing book and a microgreens troubleshooting book written in simple language based on real farming experience. The link is in the description. Start small, grow smart, and let your farming pay you every month. Microgreens are small, but your income does not have to be.